If you're automation engineer, PLC engineer, SCADA, or even industrial IoT, or you wanted to get into OT cybersecurity, understanding of OPC concept is very vital for you. In this video, we would talk about how to set up a communication between Matrikon OPC simulator and SCADA software. For this tutorial, we would be using Mintier SCADA software. As you can see, this is our OPC and we wanted to integrate our SCADA with that OPC server. In order to do that, what would be the practical part, we will cover in this video. This OPC machine, this one is getting the data from PLCs or DCS system and then sharing the data to the SCADA system. If in the case you're curious how to set up a communication between your PLC and OPC server, we have another video already on that. I will put a link of that into the description of this video as well. Now let's get into practical part of today's video. First of all, click on Matrikon OPC server for simulation. Once you click on that, click yes. You need to wait for a while and it would open up. And here on alias configuration, what you are going to be doing here, you right click and insert new alias. Here you would be naming the tags. For instance, I wanted to have two tags, level, and I will be getting into the holding register types and I will make it long. Once done, you can definitely save that. Now it's the time to create another tag. So we would be creating another tag named as flow. And for that, we would go to holding register, alias type, and here he would be just simply making it long as well. Here we would be selecting long and then save. So we have created two tags. So if in the case you wanted to view the tags in the server, for that you have to just click over here. It would open up your tags. You would see this screen over here. So you have configured the tags in alias, so you can find the tags over here. Click on the tag and then click here. Click on the next tag and then click here and then validate from here. Once done, you can just simply close that from here. So you can now see that we have two tags added. So let me give some values here. For instance, I want this to be 77 and this one to be 55. So I can simply apply. Okay. Now we have two tags available in our OPC server. It's the time to connect that OPC server with our SCADA software. Now we are going to open a Mintier SCADA software. Click yes. So here you can set up the communication like this. You have to go to the connection manager. And here you got an OPC client. Server, you have Matrikon. Here on the client, you have to come up here, right click, and then new server. Matrikon OPC simulator is installed in the same system. That's why you will have to select local machine over here. And then you can find out. You have Matrikon, you have Kepware. We have to select on Matrikon OPC simulation. Click OK. Right click here and new subscription. Just add subscription over here. Once done, then you can click on new items. Here you will be able to see the tags. This is your configure alias, right? So select add item. You can do it one by one, or you can just simply select both and do it together. So I have added two tags over there already. So now is the time to simply add tags in the Mintier as well. Once right click and then add tags in the Mintier. Now you have added two tags over here already. Renamed these tags like level. And then we have flow. You can do that. Once you're done, you have to right click over here and activate. This is very important. So now we will go ahead and create a screen for us. Right click and new. Here on the screen, we would definitely add text box. Right click, .NET component and text box. And then we will add another text box. Come on. This text box will take a value coming from OPC. So what you will do, right click, properties, value, and then you can simply click on flow over here, and then right click, properties, value, and then you can definitely click on level as well. Remember that you have different options like to animate the things for you as well, like you can simply click on cutaways like that. If you want to animate level, you can definitely animate it, like for instance properties. So here you can definitely select level. And then once you're done, and then another one was flow. For this demonstration we would be using a gauge for the flow, just to show the flow. So we can definitely do that flow, and then we have okay, done. I think now it's the time to run. Okay, so you can see that we have the values coming from our OPC, and same values are appearing over here on our machines as well. So if in the case we wanted to change some value from here, for instance I want to make it 88, let's see, the value is changed 88 over here as well. And then we can change the value of flow as well. Let's change it to 44. So you can see that value is changed 44 as well. In this way you can set up a communication between your OPC server and SCADA system. I hope you like this video. If you like it, consider hitting the like button, subscribe if you haven't yet. Until next video, take care and bye-bye.